Guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you all doing today? So guys, today I'm going to be making soya milk. Guys, this soya milk tastes really good and it is very nutritious. Do you know soya milk contains a lot of nutrients? It contains protein, vitamin B12, calcium, magnesium, vitamin A, vitamin D, among others. You can use it in your pap, in your custard, you can put it in your cereal. Most importantly, give it to your children because they need all the nutrients they can get. So guys, let's go into the video right away. I will be using 1 medium-sized coconut, 3 cups of soya beans. Make sure it is clean. And I'll be using 1.5 cup of this. Also, I'll be adding 1 secret ingredient. See, put it in your soya milk. Come back and tell me how it tastes. Okay? You are going to find out later in the video. Now I will go ahead to pick out the stones and unwanted particles in the soya beans. Do not skip this part because most of these grains have a lot of stone inside. I will go ahead to wash the soya beans. Make sure you wash it until it is clean. The goal is to be healthy, so you have to make sure that everything you are using is washed properly. Now that the water is clean, I will add more water on it and set it aside to soak overnight. I will go ahead to wash the dates also and set it aside to soak overnight. This is the next morning. The date is really soft now, so I will go ahead to drain the water and remove the seed. Please do not skip this part. Make sure you remove the seed. This is what the date looks like after removing the seed. This is the soya beans the next morning. You can see that it has doubled in size. So now I will go ahead to wash it to peel off the skin. Guys, please make sure you peel the back of the soya beans. It is very important. There is a report that the skin is not healthy, so make sure you peel off the skin as I am doing in. Now I will add the soya beans, dates and coconut together. Then I will go ahead to take it to the mill to grind it. If you have a blender at home, you can use your blender. Look at that. That is the soya beans after grinding it. Now I am going to sieve it the first time. To sieve the soya beans, you need little to no water. If you are going to add water, add it sparingly, okay? So guys, I'll go ahead to sieve it the second time. I'm going to be using this tight sieve just to make sure that the milk is clear. So guys, this is a quick reminder. Have you subscribed to my channel? Have you liked this video? Have you dropped your comments? Please do so now. It is totally free. Please support your girl, okay? So guys, now I'm adding the sieved milk into the pot. It is important that you cook it properly to eliminate a certain substance which is not good for the health. Please read up on that on Google, okay? So now I'm going to stir it. You have to make sure that you keep on stirring it. You don't want it to have any lumps whatsoever. So keep on stirring it continually. If you stop stirring it, your soya milk
will become lumpy. And guys, here is the secret ingredient. If you add cinnamon to your soya milk, it's going to make the taste better. Like, it takes the taste to another level, and the aroma, oh my god, it's very, very delicious.
I left these soya beans on fire for about a minute to quickly attend to my daughter, and it started becoming lumpy. Like, can you see that? So please, you have to continue to stir it. Continue to stir. Do not stop. I cooked the soya milk for 45 minutes just to be sure that it is cooked properly. And do not forget, don't stop stirring it. Your soya milk is ready when the surface thickens like this, just as you can see in the video. So guys, I will go ahead to sieve it the last time. your soya milk is ready. Thank you so much for watching up to this moment. Please subscribe, like, share my video. If you have any question, please drop it in the comment section and I will attend to you. Thank you so much. See you in my next video. Bye.